In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Adsense payment threshold. Google Adsense is a fantastic tool for website owners and content creators who want to earn money from their traffic through advertisement placements. A significant part of managing an Adsense account is optimizing how and when you receive payments. That's where altering your payment threshold comes into play. It's a feature Google provides to give you control over the minimum amount of money you must earn before a payment is sent out to you. Let's dive into how you can customize this setting to better suit your needs. The first step is to navigate to the Google AdSense website. Once you're there, you'll notice there's an option to sign in. This step is fairly straightforward. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. It's essential at this point to ensure you're signing into the correct Google account associated with your AdSense account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Input the email associated with your AdSense account. After you've inputted your email, the next screen will ask for your password. Here, make sure to enter your password carefully to avoid any access issues. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google AdSense homepage. It's here that the next phase of the process begins. Your attention should be directed towards the Payments section. This area is crucial for managing your earnings and understanding your payment options. Find and click on the Payments info to continue. Within the Payments section, you'll see an option for Manage Settings. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your payment settings, but our focus today is specifically on changing the payment threshold. So after clicking on Manage Settings, look for the payment schedule. Under Payment Schedule, a segment named Payment Threshold is where you can control when Google AdSense processes your earnings. This step is critical because it allows you to specify the minimum amount you wish to reach before a payment is issued. It gives you the flexibility to delay payments until a certain earnings point is reached, which can be particularly useful for managing your finances or for tax reasons. To change your payment threshold, simply click on the Payment Threshold option. From here, you can enter a new threshold amount. Keep in mind, Google sets a minimum threshold limit, which you can adjust upwards if you prefer to receive payments less frequently or when you've accumulated higher earnings. This customization option can be a powerful tool for financial planning and helps ensure you're making the most out of your AdSense account. After you've inputted your preferred threshold amount, make sure to save your changes. It's essential to verify the changes have been applied to confirm your new threshold setting is active. This ensures your next payment will adhere to the newly set parameters. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your payment threshold in Google AdSense. It's a simple process, but understanding and taking control of these settings can make a significant difference in how you receive and manage your earnings. Adjusting your payment threshold can provide greater flexibility and control over your finances. Whether you're looking to consolidate your payments into larger sums or manage cash flow more effectively, setting a threshold that aligns with your financial goals is a smart move. Remember, the key to maximizing your AdSense earnings is not just about generating traffic, it's also about how effectively you manage and access those earnings. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Whether you're new to Google AdSense or looking to learn more about optimizing your account, understanding how to adjust your payment threshold is invaluable. Ensure you explore other settings within AdSense to maximize your earnings and streamline your payment management. Happy earning!